here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I am unboxing the Magical Celebrations Grab and Go box from Stamp Anything. Once again, this will be going up on the Jellyfit Elf YouTube channel along with the Stamp Anything YouTube channel. So this is the last run of this box. So once it's done, it's done. And Magical Celebrations is the Stamp Anything kind of nod to the Disney theme parks. So yeah. The only way that this box differs from the last box is Anne has updated the paper, and the paper is available in the store. So if you're someone who just wants the paper, you don't have to buy an entire box again. You can just pick up the paper pad. Now this is available in the shop as of right now, but once it's sold out, it's sold out. This is one that's retiring and it's not making a comeback. So if you're interested in it, make sure you follow the link in the description box down below on both channels to pick it up. So I'm going to walk you through everything that's in the box, and yeah, let's go see what it is, because I haven't even unboxed this yet and I'm just as excited as you are. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to the prospective channels and then go subscribe to the other channels. I will have both channels, depending on where you're at, linked in the description box down below. And again, I will have a direct link to this box, but also a link to the Grab and Go section overall. There are several different boxes yet, and if you missed it, I unboxed a Christmas theme one not just recently, and that one is going really fast. So let's head over to my craft table and I'm going to share with you what's in the Magical Celebrations box. Post office did me dirty on this one, y'all. They put the sticker right over her face. That's not very nice. So this is the Magical Celebrations box. I haven't seen anything out of this one. So this will be just as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. If you already had this box, the only thing that is different is the paper pad. And I think I mentioned that in the intro. I filmed the intro before I'm filming this. I honestly can't remember. I apologize. Let's see. Ooh, it's so much fun. Okay, so look at this. We've got stamps. Lots of stamps. Holy cow. Got Mickey ear. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I think I've mentioned before, maybe not on, not in a while, but I am not like a Disney adult, as they say, but I have wanted to go to Disney at Christmas time for forever, and we were meant to go for our 10-year anniversary, and unfortunately we didn't get to make it. So anyway, okay, let us start with, so every kit comes with card bases and envelopes. You get a glue and you get pop dots. So that's the thing that is in every kit. So we've got some Mickey Mouse adornments. Those are adorable. We've got some enamel dots. We've got some ribbon. Ooh, I love this polka dot ribbon. It's so pretty. So cute. Like, people don't use ribbon anymore, and I love ribbon. Get a couple of little Minnie Mouse bows. You get some really cute little, oh, those are cute. They're little Mickey charms. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Those are so cute. Those are cute. Look at the little keys. This would make like a cute little charm bracelet. Those are really, really cute. And again, some of this stuff does change every month. Or it's not every month, I shouldn't say this. Some of the stuff does change every box. And like I said, the most recent one was the Disney villains. And it was Hades and Maleficent, Cruella. The only one missing, I think, was Ursula, but I'm pretty sure they already came out with someone similar to Ursula. We've got some confetti. Really, really fun for shaker cards. We've got two different stencils. This one looks like fireworks, and this one is like confetti, and then just a really fun background. And then let's look at the paper before we get into the stamps. So much fun. You get 24 sheets. Here's a look at the patterns. They are front and back. So much fun. This is so much fun. The bow, you've got the ears. My nephew, who is, he'll be 19 months this month. He is obsessed with Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And he just looks at me like, he's like, Mimi, how do you know the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse song? Because I'll sing it for him every time I see him. And the hot dog at the end. Oh my gosh, I love Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Yes, I'm 44. I don't care. I love it anyway. Okay. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 stamp sets with coordinating dies. So we have a little girl in a teacup. This is, she doesn't have a name. We have a Magical Day. Oh, this one's got like Dole Whip. That looks like a churro and a pretzel. I love the hair. That is so, this looks like Kevin. Kevin, is that you? This one is Excalibur with the sword. That's fun. You're a legend. Fun times await. Let's make some memories. So cute. Then we have a boy in a teacup, and then you get a mini bow. Get popcorn, wish upon a star, have a terrific day. Don't worry, churro up. What's poppin'? And then you get a crescent moon of stars with the coordinating dies. And then on the back, get you are, thank you, best day ever, irresistible, my happy place, worth the wait, great adventure, and happiest place on earth. And then for the dies, there is a pair of ears in here. If you saw my Julie Let's Set Sail card, you saw the ear die. So you get a little bench. You get the Mickey Mouse balloons. So you get the outline, and then you get the ones that you can put in the front. You get Minnie Mouse bow. So you can stamp the bow or you can just cut it out. This one is stitched. Get a, this is the window. I believe the Cinderella's castle is what Anne told me. You get the ears, and then you get a lamppost. So all of this, y'all, all of this. This is so much. It's so much. And what I love is that you can create so many things. I mean, you could, like, literally the possibilities are endless. So much fun. And what I love is, like, some of these don't even have to be about the park. These can just be, they can be used for so many different things. And I love that so very much. So I am excited to bust into this kit. Don't forget that this one is retiring. It's limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if this is one that you want, make sure you go ahead and pick it up. I will have it linked in the description box down below along with the respective channels. So if you're watching this on the Jolly Fit Elf, I'll have the Stamp Anything channel linked. If you're watching this on Stamp Anything, I'll have my channel linked, and I'll have a link to this particular grab and go box. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to leave any questions if you have any. I will be sure to respond as quickly as I can. And you can also reach out to customer service if you have particular questions about shipping, those kinds of things. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Love your faces, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. This is so cute. I'm so excited.